Hey everyone! Today, I want to share something truly amazing: pomegranates. These vibrant, jewel-like fruits are not just delicious but pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So let's dive in and discover why pomegranates are considered a true superfood. First up, antioxidants. Pomegranates are loaded with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols, flavonoids, and ellagic acid. These compounds help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation, making your body more resilient to the stresses of daily life. And that's not all. When it comes to heart health, pomegranates are true champions. The antioxidants and polyphenols in these fruits can help reduce the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis, lower blood pressure, and even improve blood lipid profiles. Your heart will thank you. Pomegranates also shine in supporting urinary health. Drinking pomegranate juice may reduce the risk of urinary tract infections and can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. If you're into fitness, you'll love this. Pomegranate juice can aid in exercise recovery. It helps reduce muscle damage and inflammation after a workout, so you can bounce back faster and stronger. Let's talk about cancer prevention. The antioxidants and polyphenols in pomegranates have anti-tumor properties that may help prevent certain types of cancer, including prostate, breast, and colon cancer. Truly powerful stuff. Brain health is another area where pomegranates excel. Drinking pomegranate juice may improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Keep your mind sharp with this incredible fruit. And there's more. Bone health. Pomegranate juice may help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, making it a great addition to your diet as you age. Anti-inflammatory effects? Check. Pomegranate juice can help reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Plus, it can boost your immune system, helping you fend off infections more effectively. Overall, pomegranates are a nutritional powerhouse. With their high nutritional value and numerous health benefits, they're a fantastic addition to a well-balanced diet. But remember, while pomegranates have many potential benefits, more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness for specific health conditions. And always consume pomegranate juice in moderation due to its high sugar content. Fresh pomegranate arils are an even better choice as they retain more fiber and nutrients. So, why not add some pomegranate goodness to your life? Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.